David, you have to listen to me.
Stop. Please stop. How many times have you told me this? I have not seen the right one yet. I haven't seen my choice for marriage.
Maybe you find out when I'm dead and gone.
Please, that's not what I mean. I am just trying to make you understand that I need more time. Give me some time.
Time?
Yes.
What time are you looking for? I have given you more than enough time. Make me a grandmother, David. What is your problem? You're making me feel as if you're not in your right senses.
Mom, of course I'm in my right senses. Mom, marriage is an institution. I need to be ready for it.
Oh, you are now teaching me about marriage. Eh? Get married. Make me a grandmother. What is it?
Well, Mom, I can see that you're finding it hard to understand my take on this marriage thing. Excuse me.
David! David, come here! I will make this house very hot for you.
Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
You don't look happy. What about your mom?
She's inside. I think the best thing to do is for you to go inside and explain to my mom. I need to help me beg her. With all due respect, ma. Tell my mom to leave me alone. She should take it easy on me. Please,
that's serious.
I'll be on my way now.
I will try.
Uka! Open the gate.
You're welcome. I saw your son outside.
He was not looking too bright. I hope all is well.
But I don't understand my son. I don't even know what is wrong with him. He's not getting it at all.
No wonder he said I should help him beg you to let him be.
Please tell me. Please, just tell me the truth. Is my son too young to be married? Is he not old enough to be married? I told my son to get married and give me grandchildren. That is my offense.
My friend, maybe you have a heart-to-heart talk with him to know the kind of woman he wants. From there, you know the clue of the problem, isn't it?
Wow, you have a point there.
Yes.
That is exactly what I'll do. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
What have you for all this? Why did you show up for lunch?
Man, I'm not in the mood for anything lunch right now, man.
You're not in the mood for lunch. Very unlike you. For ages, I've not seen you like this. What's going on? Come on, talk to me.
Fred, it's my mom, man. That woman is stressing me. She's on my neck.
Your mom? On your neck? Like she tattooed her name round your neck?
No, come off it. I'm not joking, man. You know this marriage of a thing just started again. The man is stressing me. He's telling me to get married. I told her marriage is an institution. Calm down. When the time is right, I will do it.
Well, Fredo, for me, I will say that at the end of the day, her intentions matters the most. Despite she's putting it the wrong way for now, but I suggest you should calm her down and see to her outside. Just chill.
How many times? I will tell her and talk. She will not still pull through. She will not come around.
All right. Calm down for now. Calm down. Don't worry, I'm your guy. You and I will sort it out. We'll think of what to do next. Okay? But first, once you get home, do me a favor. Call Mom, see. Discuss with her. Try to know her own distress in this whole issue. Just chill. Come on. Guy, the next lunch is on you.
Of course, you know I make all to the dark, man.
Okay, before I take drive, come here, you give me.
Hello, son.
Mom, I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you in the morning. It's just that this marriage topic, you know, I don't like it. It hits me so bad. The pressure is just too much on me. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, son. I never meant to put you under any kind of pressure. It's just that, as a mother, I love you so much, my son. I want the best for you. I just want you to get married and give me grandchildren.
Mama, I understand. It's not as if I do not want to get married. But I don't know. I want to take my time. I don't want to make mistake. I have my own qualities. I'm trying to look out for a woman. That's the problem.
You know something, David? I like the direction of our conversation. I actually came here so that we can have a heart-to-heart talk. Now, tell me, what are you looking for in a woman? I mean, the qualities you want in a wife.
Well, Mom, she has to be caring, understanding, honest, beautiful, of course, good character, family-oriented, and above all, God-fearing. You know, she has to be...
My sister, it worked. All thanks to you.
I told you.
You did?
I told you. He got his choice. People that are that choosy always make the best of husband. You know?
You're right. He's just like his father.
Oh, may his gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen. Amen. That's why I actually want him to marry. To make me a fulfilled woman.
So what are the key points that you need from a woman?
Well, nothing out of place. He likes that kind of a woman that I like.
You never change, my friend.
Hi, hello.
Welcome, Mrs. Clara.
Yes, I hope I'm not late.
I'm fine, thank you. No, you can sit, please.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
There are other seats.
No problem, you can sit. I'll be here. I'm almost done.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Well.
Yes, how do I go about it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've spoken with the youth leader. Definitely, tomorrow's service. Okay, sir. Thank you, Pastor.
My dear, please, what's your name?
Natasha, ma.
Nice name.
Thank you, ma.
Can I have your number?
Okay.
Good.
080.
Okay.
33. Double.
Okay. No problem, I'll hold on. Don't worry, I'll call the South African embassy and get back to you. Yes, I'll call them. Once I get to them, I'll let you know. Okay, no problem. Alright.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Dikeh. I'm from this village. Sorry, I overheard you say something about South Africa.
Yeah.
I really want to go to South Africa, but I don't have anybody that will assist me.
assist you financially or...
You're looking for an agent too?
Agent, yes, agent.
Okay, you want to travel to South Africa?
Yes.
And you're looking for someone that would, like an agent that will help you?
Agent.
That is why I'm here now. Actually, I work with South African Embassy.
Eh? No. I'm there already.
Okay, so when do you want to travel? Like, how urgent do you want to go to South Africa?
If possible now. If I get those things done, I'm ready to travel.
You have the money too?
No, I don't really have the money, but I can raise the money as fast as possible.
Okay, the actual price is 600,000.
Eh?
Yes. But you can run around for 300, like half of the money. So once you get to South Africa, you send me back the balance. Hey, with 10% interest.
10% is not a problem. Okay. Child, if you help me with that half payment, then I will go to South Africa. Even I can pay you more than that. Actually, child,
like seriously,
I'm very happy. I don't say I feel the best way they good for this what they gave me.
Don't mention. So when are we starting?
Let me see. You give me your number, so I will call you.
080.
Okay.
60.
24.
5526.
26.
Yes.
Good.
There's something you need to know. If you want to make it in life, you have to like seal your mouth. Don't tell anybody that I'm the one that is processing this thing for you. You know people now, and these village people, this village is full of kidnappers. So I don't want to land myself into trouble.
No, there's no problem. If not for that one, I get A1. Everybody knows me. I don't talk anyhow. I zip my mouth. Me with my own thing. Forget it.
Just once you get the money, you have my number. Just call me, and please, you have to be fast about it if you want to go to South Africa.
Let me get what I want.
You have to see how cool this girl is. She's so beautiful. She's just like an angel, dropped from heaven by God. She's so curvy, very beautiful, very respectful, and above all, she's so God-fearing. You need to see her.
Mom, I can't wait to meet this girl. I mean, this girl that has eaten so deep into your heart like this. But on the second thought, why are you telling me all this?
Are you seriously asking me that question?
Yes, Mom, I'm curious. Because you went to the salon, you met a girl, a stranger, and the next thing you're singing and talking about her, and I can't fix it. What's going on?
Okay. I will go straight to the point.
Please do.
After listening to the qualities you want in a woman,
okay,
I had to put it in prayers. I presented it before God. And I think God answered my prayers by sending Natasha to that beauty salon today.
Hold on, Mom. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to matchmake me and this girl? What are you doing? At this time and age?
I am not. You see, you keep talking about being strangers. We all were strangers in this world, even you and I, until I had you. And it's like that with everybody. All I want you to do, my son, is bring out your friendly approach. And who knows, if it is the will of God, anything can happen.
Well, I've heard you, Mom, but I just hope that this is not a means to lure me into any kind of relationship.
Oh, no.
So fine, then I'm cool then.
Natasha!
Hey! Mom, what's going on?
You see Natasha, very curvy, tall, beautiful.
Why does this girl give it to my mom?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay, I'll get to meet her.
Listen to me now.
What is this, Afam? What is it?
Can you people just leave us alone?
There is no us here. We only have Afamefuna who wants to have a heart-to-heart talk. with Ebere.
Exactly. Just give us space to have heart-to-heart talk. Stop being my obstacle here.
Heart-to-heart talk. I don't just understand you, Afam. I don't understand you. You are supposed to plead with my sister here to make her understand you are a good person. But rather, I can see you are not a gentleman.
Belle, please wait. I'm sorry. Please, just forgive me. Forgive my rude manners. I'm sorry, very sorry. Ugochi, please, I'm sorry, okay? It's just that.
But wait, Iberi. Are you really standing here, listening to this nonsense they're saying? Ugochi, let's just listen to the nonsense he has to say, then we'll just go.
Thank you. What God has joined together, let no Ugochi put us under.
Don't come any closer. Just stay where you are and say what you have to say, please, because I want to go now.
There's no problem. Listen to me, Ebere, just look at me, I really, really love you. I want to marry you. Listen, just say yes, I'm ready to sell all my father's land just to marry you.
Okay. Who is chasing after you?
It's better for someone to be chasing me than to allow my sister to be raped.
What? Where? When? Who is that fool?
Oh, just stop asking questions. Come, let's go and save a baby.
Just wait, I'm coming. I will show that person a lesson. Bernard.
That's him.
That's
him.
What's happening here?
That's boy. It's very stupid.
Who said that's the rapist? This is the fool that wants to rape a bear. Who is raping who? But nobody is raping anybody here, oh.
Are you mad? Ugochi, are you mad? How will you refer to this gentleman as a rapist? Don't let people hear you.
Wait, Ikenta. Did you pull out a machete for me or my friend? Do you want to kill us? Hey, I was only going to the farm when my sister came and told me about rape. So when I got there, I noticed you were just advising my sister Ebere. You know Ebere is very stubborn. Don't you know?
Bro, Ikenta.
Shut up. Let's go home. Are you done advising her?
Brother, I'm done talking with Afam. Let's go home.
You can still stay.
Brother, let's go home. I'm done.
Because I know you wouldn't like the fresh water.
Hey!
Consider my offer, yeah?
Leave me alone. Let's go home.
Hey, you're still here. Hey!
Who is chasing you?
Fuel agum no. Hey! Fuel has finished in my mouth. Oh no, Bakamoto. Fuel has finished here. Hey! As we speak, Afam Efuna is dead. Ikenta has butchered Afam. Afam Efuna Wakike has turned to Wakike.
Wait, do we have any other Afam in this village?
Afam, my best friend.
My Afam?
Afam's head is in Jericho, while his left leg is in Jerusalem.
My baby!
You are still here shouting baby.
Okay. Where is the place, please?
Just take this route. In fact, I don't know where Ikenta will start butchering you from. That's the problem. Take this way.
Okay.
Before that mango tree.
Yes.
You will see Afam's dead body.
Afam?
You will see Afam's dead body. Hey! Hey!
Now, hope it don't hurt you.
Hurt me? No one can hurt me in this village. What happened?
But I saw your friend Maduka. Maduka said that Iketa butchered you beyond repair. And you know you are everything to me now.
Listen, Jumo. I'm not in the mood for all those your cock and bull stories, okay? I don't have time for it. I have better things to do.
Baby, wait. Listen me. Baby. Wait.
Like I was saying, Papa is dead. And you all are my source of traveling to South Africa. And I want you people to avoid people like Madoka and Afam and follow rich suitors and even man friends. Eh?
I don't understand what you're saying.
What don't you understand here now? What brother is trying to say is that we should follow rich men. Eh? Rich men that will give us anything we want. Anyone that just stop us high, we answer. So you know, so we can change the background of our family.
I am shocked at what you're saying, Ugochi.
Holy Mary, just keep quiet and allow Brother Ikenta finish.
I'm still the head of this family.
Bam.
So let me talk, Chinyere. I want you girls to follow rich men. I mean, men with dollar, euro, and pounds. And I don't want you girls to turn to darling girls. I want you to turn to become happening girls in this community. So that when your sister comes back, she will meet you people as big girls.
Thank you, brother. As for me, I will never disappoint you.
And brother, I'm so sorry for giving that poverty-stricken fool our family listening ears in the first place. Aye. Well, brother, I am sorry to disappoint you. I can't do your bidding.
Will you shut up your mouth? Listen, let me tell you. I am okay with Ugochi and Ebere. With them, South Africa confirmed. Yes.
Mama, I have something to ask you and I need your advice.
What is it?
Mama, is it right to only follow rich men and neglect the poor ones, treat them like they are less men? Is it good?
It's not right, my daughter. See, my dear, you have to think rich. Try and make it possible for you to be independent. You see, all these rich men, they can come to you, deceive you, and go. Their money is useless. But for you, what you need is a man with hope and vision so that you make it in life.
I just wish breaking that we just listen to this. Do you know he has been busy advising Ebere and Ugochi to follow only rich men? Yes, only men with dollar, pounds, and euro.
What do you mean?
Yes.
Ikenta?
Yes.
Ikenta, my son. Ikenta! Ikenta!
Mama.
See, I heard you are advising my daughters to start going around.
Oh, Chinyere. So you don't want to keep your mouth shut, right? Chinyere, you don't want to keep your mouth shut. I will show you that I'm still the head of this family.
Shut up, Ikenta! You want to use my children to make money?
Mama, you will not understand until my plans start materializing. My sisters are my oil money. And I will be foolish if I don't use them to get all the riches I want for myself and for the entire family. I will travel to South Africa and I will make my money. I will come down to this community and I will spread the money. Mama, another building. I will build another house for you.
Shame on you.
Hi. Mama, what? Mama, make this money. Mama, where you go? I will build a new house for you.
Get out!
Mama, Hapa. Don't worry, come back to me.
Brother, you sounded so urgent on the phone. How far?
You know I'm supposed to have a meeting with the clients from Abuja, and it is scheduled for today, lunchtime.
Oh, of course.
Yes, but something just came up. I want you to help me go for that meeting. Represent me, because I need to go home. I need to see Momsi that same lunchtime.
Momsi? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. I don't know. I guess it has to do with the girl she met at the salon. She just wants me to meet her, that's all.
That's strange. That's very, very odd.
I know it's odd, but I mean, Mama, now, what do you expect me to do? I just want to see the girl. Even the girl in question might not even like me.
Devo, you are a rare king. Who wouldn't accept you?
I beg you, don't go there watch. She's the one calling. Hello, Mom. Yes, I'll soon be on my way. I'll see you soon. But just take care of things now.
Don't worry, I got you.
Right.
Natasha, I hope you're still coming. Oh, okay. I'm expecting you. Yes, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
I knew you would not disappoint me.
Mom, you know I'm not disappointed. I actually had something very important to do. I told Fred to just stand for me.
Oh,
Yes.
that's good.
So, she. Hi.
I hope the food you were preparing did not stress you at all.
Not at all, Mommy.
I'm glad.
I actually brought your own portion of this meal here in this flask.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, by the way, David.
Mom.
Natasha, my son.
It's my pleasure.
Same here.
He looks gentle.
Of course I am gentle. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope that food is as delicious as I perceive it.
Sure, Mom. You're sure gonna enjoy it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, by the way, lady and gentlemen, let's go to the dining.
Okay, absolutely.
Let's pray. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, bless and sanctify this food as we eat it in Jesus' name.
Amen. You seem religious too.
Yes, ma. You know, prayer is the key to a happy and peaceful life. It has a way of relaxing your mindset.
She's right.
Yeah.
What you eating?
I will start myself.
Wow, this is great.
Very tasty.
Tasha, are you a caterer or something?
Not at all. I actually learned this from my mom. And believe me, she is the best cook in the whole world.
I disagree with you. I am the champion.
Oh, Bob. Hey, Fredo. This girl is something else. Wow. See, I don't understand how to explain it. She's just too awesome. She has respect. And she's God-fearing.
Hold on. You are impressed.
Impressed? That's an understatement now. Hey, I'm telling you that this girl has all the figures. She's so... Listen, if no be say person, no they perfect, I would have called this girl a perfect girl because she's very close to perfection.
For real?
I am telling you. We were trying to eat and she said, let's pray. And everything about her was on point. I don't know how to explain it. She's just too good.
Okay, my brother.
But it wasn't the case. She's a very good cook. She overfed me now. She had to prepare food and she bought the food for me and my mom to eat.
My brother is in love. Oh.
No, not really like I'm in love, like that. See, hold on. But I think I still need to know her, but she was just too bad.
The but is this. Your friend Fred, you go and meet that guy, beg her to leave my brother, my friend alone for me. Well, anyway, since he has offended you and you are okay, well, there is no need for you to join me to eat this one anymore, you know.
It's not like... no. Okay, fine, I agree.
She has offended you, don't join me.
See this meat, I must eat from this meat. Let me just take one meat.
No,
let me take one meat.
Okay, wait, let me choose for you.
Which one will I take?
Okay, take this bomb. It's one you drink in town.
Really? Mm-hmm. Nice.
Very good. That's it. You confess it. You see?
Natasha, why will you use my flask to eat without washing it? I'm like a fool to you, right? I bring money for everything. I pay the bills. Sophia, you are embarrassing my friend and I don't like it at all. You call this an embarrassment? She doesn't do anything in this house. She don't bring any money. I pay all the bills all by myself. I've been calm all this while. I can't take it anymore.
I blame my parents for making me pass through this nonsense with this low life. If not for their persistence for me to marry Senator Tambuwa's son, would I have been here? Hell no.
Nat, did you say Senator Tambuwa's son?
Of course. Simply because I refused marrying him, my parents freezed my account. Then I went to my pastor, the pastor that prays for me, said that I should bring money, I should buy food and go to the less privileged. And that will make my parents to change their mind and unfreeze my account.
Okay, wait. I thought you said it was governor of Borno State.
That one? Yes, now. Simply because I refused him, that one. I said no. You know, he just believes everything will work out for him due to my parents' political belief.
Okay.
Oh, Commissioner. Hello? Oh, Commissioner. Sorry, I'm kind of busy right now. Can I call you back later, sir? Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
She picked my call and called me Honorable Commissioner.
Hey! Commissioner!
Just hang up.
Please, that was the commissioner. Really?
She called you Honorable Commissioner.
Bam!
Choi! God has finally answered my prayers.
Natasha, I'm so sorry. I never knew you went to the less privileged. I'm so sorry, okay? From now on, I'll be the one that will be doing the house chores. Just feel free and relax, okay? Just forgive me, please.
Nat. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
I will forgive you. Well, if you're sure you will not do it again.
I will not do it again, I promise.
Oh, don't worry. Let me just go make this call in a quiet place. You know, the commissioner just called me now, so I want to return the call.
Okay.
See you later.
Nat.
Nat. Commissioner.
Wait, she's calling again. Wait.
Hello, Adama.
Hello, Mama.
Hey, I'm very surprised to hear you call me Honorable Commissioner.
Sorry, I was busy. You know, as a politician, we don't have time. That is why I don't call you frequently.
That means God has answered all my prayers.
Don't worry, Mama. I have a meeting right now. I need to go meet with the Minister of Money right now. I need to get some dollars.
Hey!
Mama, just rejoice. God has blessed us. Greet my siblings for me. Eh?
Your sister is now a politician
In the city. My sister is a politician.
Hey! In the city, she's a big politician now.
Hey! In Kent and South. Mama, rejoice and merry. Nothing maker.
Mama, levels has changed though. I will not buga in this village. Let me see who will come. Hey!
Where is your sister?
Hey, Mama, she went to see Ego, her friend.
Eh?
Yes.
Which Ego?
Ego.
That daughter of a poor hunter. Tell her to mind the kind of friends she walks around with. In short, I will tell her myself for security reason.
Politician. My sister. Hey.
South Africa. Yeah, I come.
Hey, but I hate her.
That shows all my prayers.
Hey.
South Africa. Yeah, I come.
Now this is confusing. I don't know what's going on. Like that food. Is it that she bought the food? Or the caterer where Fred bought that food is as good as Natasha? There's something I can't just place it. That's the taste of the food.
Hello, son.
Mom, I didn't know you were coming.
What would have kept the apple of my eyes in this mood?
Mom, I am worried. I am worried about the authenticity of Natasha.
How do you mean?
You see, in as much as I liked her from the first day I set my eyes on her, but I am not convinced, especially with her food. I just feel like maybe she didn't prepare the food herself.
What?
Did you seriously bring a big chick like me to this local hotel?
Baby, actually, I needed you and I to come to this an uncommon place to cool down and gist together. That was it.
You wanted us to gist together?
Yes.
You should have at least taken me to a resort or some other place. Now you decided to bring me to a hotel. Not even a bottle of champagne to cool me down.
Oh, champagne. Let me call it the
please. Just forget about that. It's not important right now. You know what? My money is 20k. Because I have other clients to attend to. You have to give me my money cash. And no kissing. Because you're not my boyfriend.
Hold on. You have other clients to attend to. No kissing. And your money is 20,000 naira. Are you a street girl?
Oh, please, I'm out of here.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. Don't go. It's not 20. Hey, I can't afford to let all these 30, 40, 50 leave me.
You know what?
Yes.
In fact, I have changed my mind. Yeah. You are going to give me 40k or nothing for you.
40,000 just to piss on you?
40k or I bounce out.
Okay, alright. I'm just flexing inside my brother.
Flexing with who? That level?
Of course now.
What? You told me you just met her.
I just met her day, but she make it easier for me. And I like it.
I don't like her.
Get bad. You want to see her?
No.
Brother, don't miss out. Come and see God's creation. Again, I hijack.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I swear bloody high. Yeah, make I see her. Yeah, you call me. I take this call. Hello, Mom. What? Right now? Alright, very well then. I'll go now. When my mom sees me, she needs me right now. Don't worry, another time I will come see her. No, bad guy. I didn't know, you know. Alright.
Whew. Baby, you sweet.
Thank you. So who was that?
Yes, a friend of mine. I have to discharge him because of you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Love in the air. Anyway, if you still have strength, me, I still want to do second round though.
Really?
I don't know about you.
I'm ever ready, baby. Come on.
Oh. Hello, ma. Yes, ma, please, I'll be there in 40 minutes.
Love is the most important thing you need in a relationship, not the material things.
But sister, how do you expect me to have love when the man cannot pay my bills? How?
What do you mean? Do you expect the man to pay all your bills? Can't you look for a way to take care of your shit?
Sister, how I see it is, you just make money from all these good-for-nothing rich men and better your life. Probably give brother Ikenta some money to travel abroad.
Exactly the reason why I keep talking about you, Ebere. Eh? See, let me tell you, Chinyere, don't spoil my sister for me. I am begging you, don't spoil her for me.
But I'm your sister too.
I don't think so. You are not. my main interest is on Ebere, Ugochi, and what's that her name? Adama. With them, start to the confirm. I don't count on you. Eh? See, Ebere, allow her to continue with her love. Eh? Let's do our own thing. Eh?
Son.
Oh, you sounded very urgent. What's the problem?
I'm sorry, son. I have a plan that I can't wait to carry it out.
A plan? What plan?
I called Natasha, and whenever she comes home, I'll ask her to go straight to the kitchen and cook.
Oh, Mom. You want to confirm if she was the one that prepared the last meal?
Son, I can't take chances.
I see. That's a nice plan.
I can't.
It's a nice plan.
She says. Oh, Natasha. You're welcome, my dear. Natasha, please. I'm not feeling well at all. So my doctor instructed me to eat before taking my medications. Please, I don't know if you can help me prepare something to eat before taking my medication.
Whoa, that's huge.
Huh?
I mean, that's cool.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. You know, I can't wait to taste your delicious meal.
That's not a problem. But I have a single rule. And that rule is that no one enters the kitchen until I am done.
Deal.
Cool.
This is actually the way to the kitchen. Thank you.
She asked me to cook. But you know I don't know how to cook. What am I supposed to do? I don't even know. There are some spices here. I don't even know how to make use of them. I can see ugu, I can see egusi. Then I opened the fridge, I can see some meat there. I think cow head or cow tail. I don't even know. Please. Okay, you have to be fast. Just save me right now. I don't know what to do. Yes. There's a back door to the kitchen. Please be very fast. Be very fast. Let me see what to do before you get here. Okay, see you.
Where they go? Who you dey find? I dey ask you who you dey find there, they make call. Who you dey call?
Okay, no.
I be one come, brother.
The man give am phone. Take.
Who be that?
She won't talk to you. Take
Who?
first.
You? No, I no fit do that kind of thing. No, I no fit do am. But if na me get this money wey this guy offer, and I be say because of the money, I feel say my manage do am. Give me. But him go test am. Test am.
Listen, you better don't allow anyone to hear of this. If not, I will screw your mouth.
Screw? Na mechanic and carpenter. And then they screw, they tight, they loose.
See.
So if I say they pay my money, it don't concern me.
This is all I have here. This is 2,500. Whole 2,000. Let me go 500. Don't let anyone hear this. If not, I will kill you.
Just they pay my money. Nobody will hear.
I beg you. Shh. I sense that.
Take a look at the corner. He can fuck one miss here. Take a look at the corner.
The food is ready, Mom.
Oh, that was very fast.
Yeah, very fast.
Thank you.
Sorry, Mom, just...
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
I'm saying that again. Let me get water.
We've not prayed.
Okay.
These are the glasses you saw.
Yes, Mom.
All right. After the food, you get me my medications.
Okay, well.
Okay. Let's pray. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, bless this food as we eat it so that it will digest peacefully in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you. This is
It's
good.
really nice. It means obvious you learned a lot from your mother.
You can say that again.
Talking about mother, where are your parents?
Well, my dad is the former minister of labor.
Wow. Minister.
Yes, Mom.
Afamefuna. Hey! The way that Ikenna was coming after me, I am sure he must have finished. Wait, can Ikenna butcher Afam just like that? The speed at which that boy was coming.
Maduka, why did you lie to me?
Did you confirm the dead body?
Why did you lie to me? You told me that Ikenna butchered my love Afam. Why did you lie to me?
Oh, he survived it. We thank God, oh. He even survived it. Your major interest should be Afamefuna removing his eyes from Ebere. Because he's got his eyes stuck on that Ebere girl like a juju and a magneto. That should be your major concern. Not here telling me you lied to me, you did not lie to me.
Maduka. Maduka.
Maduka Anaya. Alias Onona Wakamoto. Mabanya fuel.
Hey, you see this your mouth that runs like a car. Someday it will have accident.
It will not have accident.
It will have accident.
Maybe if there is oil, it will not have accident. Yes.
Maduka, are you sure what you told me about Ebere is the truth?
Wait, now let me tell you the truth.
I see manager.
Not in matters like this. Now you are the doing what that I know. The truth of the matter is, if you want to have your Afamefuna back, you have to go into a competition with Ebere. Ebere is somewhere looking out for a huge sum of money to use and give to Afam to solve his problems. Instead of you to go and look for the huge... you have to fuel this mouth because it cannot move anymore. If you fuel my mouth, I'll give you the remaining information.
I should fuel you?
Yes.
That is all you know?
Yes.
Maduka.
Pour fuel here now. Let me come to whatever.
You tell me the truth, though. My love is at stake.
I will tell you everything. Just fuel me. I almost made the mistake of running without fuel.
Take. No problem. Take. Tell me, what is it?
See what you will do. Our family needs a huge sum of money to do something. I don't know what that is. So, if you can provide that money for him, Afam will kick Ebere out of his life. Then you will have your Afam all to yourself. Manasa is a guy I need in Afam. You know what I'm saying. But the issue is when you get the money, you will pass through me. So I will help you and give it to Afam.
Okay. Let me go and see my
But you will still wear the honor.
That one alarm.
But Ujungwa. Kai. I've messed up. This mouth that runs like motor car will have accidents real. How will I now convince Afam to accept he needs a huge sum of money? If I'm able to. Hey! Onona Bakamoto! I will tell Afam to sell a portion of his father's land. Then I will go behind him. Rusia the mathematics. Want I can able to see the money as you do. Then my business will enter another level. Hey! You witness your best friend now. This is time for business.
You know what, girls? I am so happy. The commissioner acknowledged my request. And even said that my dad was his primary school mate.
I can't wait though. This is good news. Don't worry. God will make your parents to call you soon.
That's my prayer too. I even saw myself handling a political position in the dream.
That's a smart thing. Secondly, the commissioner pleaded with me to start working in the government house. But you know what, girls? I totally refused.
Why now?
Why?
My father will be so upset with me. Instead of reconciling with him, I am busy playing downstream politics.
Nat, what is downstream politics? Olodo.
No. She's not political minded.
Yes.
Hello, Wayoma. I've been blowing my horn for you. You did not stop. What happened?
I don't mean to be rude, but I don't talk to people like that.
Sorry. I just want to take you out, you know. Just want to take you out to flex you a bit. Can make hand together to better.
I don't move out with strangers.
Ah, me, stranger. Okoro Bobo. Bia, iche na machine pass in Nollywood onye na akpọ Okoro Bobo mmunwa. Container m na abata na apụ. Just can take you out na nke mama nwanyị Nnewi ya. Nye gị ife a na-eli eli mezie gị ị mara mma nwanyị ntikwu aka na arụ gị ife adị okay for you. Just nye gị ka ije gori ka nye gị pepper soup nye gị nkwobi. Ị pịa odekwu ife adị mma.
I am not interested, Mr. Man. Excuse me.
Come on. I beg of you.
Get that, please.
Don't. Hey.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Oh boy, how are you?
Fine.
Do you know that fine girl?
Okay, now my sister.
Your sister?
Now my younger sister be that.
Your younger sister?
No mind her size, no trokwem. It's just they grow like okra.
You know machine pass for Nnewi? Na me be Okoro Bobo for machine pass.
Okoro Bobo?
Yes.
You are the person?
Yes.
Hey, good afternoon, sir.
Talk to your sister. Let her just agree. Make things begin happen for now.
See, this person just the missing local. Okay, see, I will talk to her. She's my sister. Our house is not far from here. Just give me your number.
Okay, my number is 080 228 235 462. That's my number. Me will call you. Take this one. Just take Hazier things.
Whatever.
Where do you this one? A small one. You never see anything. Okay, there are still many where this one come from.
Thank you,
even
sir.
the one way back there back in now, person never touch him.
No problem, sir.
Your sister.
I will do that.
I like him.
More.
Just Hazier one.
I will arrange it for you. I told you.
Hazier. Hey, one kele woya. Hey, wo.
Do you want me to remain here in this village? I'm asking you, Ugochi and Ebere. Why is it that both of you cannot attract guys with good cars? I mean, men in Diego.
But I don't know. I'm still wondering why it's only broke-ass men that are always chasing me. Me too. I don't understand at all. It's becoming really, really annoying. Look at us now. Check us out. Are we not beautiful enough?
Whether you understand or not, please, both of you to join hands together and beg Chinyere to accept the man that is asking for hand in marriage. This man, the man has money.
Bruh, I don't like that man. Besides, he's old enough to be my father.
Who is asking you to like him? Sister, like his money now.
Tell her.
Like his money.
Hey.
Me, I'm still wondering where this your holy will take you to.
Ask her. Don't talk to me that way. I am still your older sister.
Let me tell you, the worst of it all is that man is not even old. It's because of his money that made him to be old. Even who could just money. If he come to this compound now, in the next 2 minutes, I'm in South Africa.
Don't waste your time convincing me. Because I am not interested. I won't.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Stop wasting your time. Leave her alone. Look at me now. Just arrange that man for me.
I'm here.
Arrange him. Listening to this nonsense.
I think you are making a point. I will do it for both of you. With you, South Africa confirmed.
Afam efuna wo kike. Afam. Why are you like this? What is wrong with you? Why are you looking all worried? Are you okay? You will tell me before I will understand.
Maduka.
Okay.
I've tried all I could to forget about Ebere, but I can't just forget about her. I really love Ebere. I love that girl.
So, Ebere is the reason why you're like this. Uju is there dying and loving you up and down, and you are here killing yourself for Ebere that will not even accept you. You don't have money. And you know Ebere's brother likes money so much. There is nothing for you there. Go and face your Uju. Please, forget Ebere.
Maduka, listen to me. See, don't even try to mention the name of that fat fool again. If you really want to continue this conversation, please.
Don't worry, I was only pulling your K-legs.
No, don't joke with such things.
You have K-legs, so you should be pulled by somebody. See what you will do, Go get original Nkwenu, good palm wine. The both of us will go to Ebere's mother's house. Present it before Ebere and her mother. In that way, Ebere and her mother will understand that you're not in for a hit and run. They will know you truly love her. If not, young girls of these days, they are scared. They don't want people that will just come, hit once and run away. If you talk about marriage, she will take you serious. That way she can only reciprocate your kind gesture.
Madoka, I think you have a point.
I always have points. You should know that by now. Have sense with concepts.
I just pray it works. I just pray it works.
It will work.
Should we go with my father?
Hey God, you want to go with your father? So he will go there and explain to you how poor and wretched you are. Your father will not assist you in any way.
No man is not even helping, man.
I wonder if he's truly your father, but the truth is, the both of us will go there alone. That is the only way it will work. Don't worry, we are men. We are equal to anything. Cheer up, we will go and Ebere will accept.
Madoka, I just pray this thing works.
It will work, oh.
I love Ebere. I love Ebere.
Ebere will love you back if only you go there and talk about marriage. That pain actually I didn't want to carry no. Odogu na be for his bride. Odogu na be for his wife. Baby. Hey, boy. You don't land.
Hold on. What are these ones doing here?
Are you really asking that question? Oh, I should ask.
Mama, I know you are the future in-law of this. Sorry, mother-in-law. Nah, say in-law. Stupid mouth. This is your future in-law. He will marry a very immediately. I am not be far. No, you can prepare. Yes.
Hey, you are not. You're welcome, eh? Welcome. Look for a seat for them.
Hey, sharp.
It's like they missed their way here.
Miss Wekwa.
Your way.
Calm down. I miss our way. Afama and Madoka. So you bring me here to insult me?
No, it is a love slang. Oh. This one is love slang.
No problem.
Okay, in-laws, wait for me.
We came prepared though.
What is happening? Huh?
Mama.
So you didn't discuss with her?
Mama, this is
tell your mother now.
This is the love we are talking about, in-law.
Tell your mother.
Tell her what?
I'm ready now.
Hey. Brother.
Organ.
Brother, something stupid is going on right now in the compound.
What is this exactly? Tell me.
You know Afam. Afam and Madoka, they came with one stupid drink to see for Ebere's hand in marriage.
Hey, wait. Afam and Madoka? They're in the house now.
Yes.
Let me tell you. Ebu mad. Let's go.
Brother, wait. I just hope this time around you react well. You better react well.
Let me tell you. Just get ready to bury somebody. Because I know I will kill someone in that house now.
Let's go.
Afam.
Brother.
Your in-laws,
In-law.
Who is your in-law?
You now.
Who are your in-law?
You.
Who am I marrying in your house or are you marrying in my house?
Ask him.
No. It is Afamefuna and Ebere. Afamodogu, they want to marry.
I'm asking you, Madoka. Who are you marrying in my house?
No, it is.
But I thought we discussed about.
Discuss what?
Kenta, my son.
Afami here said he came to marry your sister Ebere.
But Ebere said she did not discuss with him.
Didn't you tell him?
Tell him what?
Okay, let me tell him myself. Madoka. A military man came and paid 2 million naira for Ebere's upkeep.
Military?
2 million naira.
Military?
Yes. So if you're ready to raise the money to repay, then Ebere is all yours.
Wait. I had military. And I also had 2 million. I don't want to die yet.
No.
You can have your Ebere.
Come and stay.
Come now.
Wait, I even borrowed money for this drink.
Come back, Madoka. Ebere can't. The money is too small.
2 million naira.
Ikenta. Hey.
You don't want to be my in-law again? Just because of 2 million naira you are running.
Mama, calm down. This is simply wisdom in display.
Mama. The people I want to see in this compound as my in-law that I will welcome are the people that will help me to go to South Africa.
Yes. Yes.
Without them to help Ikenta, I told them in South Africa, Mama, I don't want to see them.
If I see people like Madoka or Afam,
You're not checking, Maka. See, you boy, you will not kill me in this house. Oh.
Hey.
It's the same money without love.
Yes, Adama. Chineke, you are not an honorable. Hey! So I'll be warming up for the post of a local government chairman. Yes, now you know I'm politically inclined. Yes. I'm ever ready. Mama went to the market with Chinyere. It's only Ugochi and a bird that is in the house. Weekend? Okay. Hi. Honorable. Hey, my honor. Okay. Hey, Ugochi. Ebere.
Yes, brother.
Guess what? Do you know who called? Adama.
Hey, Sister Adama called.
Not only that, she's now an honorable member.
Wow, really?
She's now answering honorable Nat.
Sister will have big money now.
Not only that, then she'll be coming back weekend.
This weekend.
I'm telling you.
Yeah!
Enough packaging.
Honorable.
So you guys should package yourself. You know? So when she returns, she will know that you're one of the Papa.
What is it?
I'm sorry for waking you up. Just that what I want to tell you is very important.
What is it?
Papa, I want to get married. And I said, let me let you know on time before proceeding my plans.
You make me laugh again. You get married. Tell me you are joking, Rico.
No, Papa, I'm serious, so. Am I not old enough to get married?
No, you are old enough. You are very old enough. Then he makes you a responsible son. In fact, you are going to be responsible to yourself, to this village, and the entire community. I'm proud of you.
But you know I'm responsible, Papa.
Go. You are responsible. Let's have a toast.
Papa.
Yeah.
The most important thing, you see that our land at Udoji River?
That one at the river bank. That's one.
Yes, Papa.
Okay.
I want you to sell the land, at least to assist me get married.
Hey! Afam! Me? Sell the only property I have left for you? Because you want to marry a woman? Hey!
Papa, what are you saying now? Am I not old enough to get married? I don't have any money. Sell that land for me to get married. What's all this now?
Hey!
Papa, I better sell that land though. I've said my own, no. Sell that land though. If not, this house not contain both of us, so. I'm telling you now, I don't want to take any drastic decision, no. Sell that land though. I want to get married.
Afam! You cannot do nothing. You can't do farting. You cannot do anything to
You are the most irresponsible human being I have seen in my entire life. Let me go even sell the whole village so that you can even feed the woman. And no fear. Hey!
Chichi, how you doing?
I'm fine, though. How fam? What brought you to the house? Oh well, my sister's brother is not around, and neither is my brother, so.
He's not around.
Yeah, he's not around.
I came to tell him that I have plans of selling a piece of land for Ebere's bride price.
You want to sell a piece of land just to raise bride price? Why?
He told me that one military man came and gave him 2 million naira for Ebere. That if I could come up with that 2 million naira, he will refund the man.
It's a big lie, yo. Hey! You already know that my brother hates poor men. He hates broke guys. Well, the only thing you should be thinking of doing is try and convince Ebere. Show her that you love her. Show her the brighter side of life. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for your time, yeah?
It's okay.
I will be on my way now. Oga, this is the land. From that place now. That extreme.
Hold on, are you telling me from this side down to that side there?
Yes.
That tree
Yeah,
over
that
there.
tree over there.
Wow.
It's a very big land. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. The fact is, I like where the land is. I like the location of the land.
Confirm.
It's nice. So, are you trying to tell me that this land belongs to you?
Oga, this land is my own personal land. My late father left it for me. It's my own inheritance. Understand? So this land now is genuine. I just want to sell the land.
Say, young man, I don't want any trouble. Seriously.
See what will happen, eh? The thing is, when you are ready, when you are with your money, just come back. I'll give you the papers and you give me the money.
It's not whenever I'm ready. I'm ready like right now. If I can get the document of the land, I'll just make a transfer to your account.
If I could get the documents now, you give me the money.
Like now, if I have the document now, if I go through it and confirm that they are genuine, I'll make the transfer to your account. How much do you say the land go for it?
Oga, it's just that I need money. It's just that I need money. That's why I want to sell the land. Just give me 2 million. Just 2 million. It's not much.
It's not much.
Just
it's
2
not
million.
much. It's not much.
It's not much.
Yes. Seriously, I like the land. I like
See
it.
what will happen since the paper is the problem now.
Yes.
I will rush down to the house now and get the papers. I'll get them ready. I'll bring it to you now. Just wait for me here.
Okay. No problem. I will just be here while my surveyor come to survey the land.
Just wait for me. Don't go away.
I'm here.
I'm coming back now. Let me just rush to the house and bring the papers.
How many minutes will it take?
Just give me 20 minutes. I'll be back now.
I'll be here. Hello, Mike.
Where are you rushing to?
Oh boy, I'm about to get that 2 million naira.
2 million?
That we used to marry Ebere.
Chineke, you are lucky. How? Where? Which?
I want to sell that our land now. I want to sell the land.
Your father's land, the one at Udoji?
Yes.
Hey.
The man that want to buy the land. He's there now waiting for me.
He's there now?
He's in there now
You're
waiting
about
for
to
me.
hammer.
See, I want to rush down to the house and get the papers. Once I get the papers, but my problem now is that I don't know where my father hid the documents.
Don't you know that that's your small house? It's too small for people like us. What you will do now is get to the house, you go put everywhere, you carry the papers once. You want to lose this 2 million.
I will try my best to squeeze out that document.
Yes, no.
I need to say I need that 2 million naira. I need to marry Ebere.
If you don't get that 2 million, you not marry Ebere.
See, I'm coming.
But wait, let me ask you. This man that wants to buy this land, will he pay you in cash or into your account? Which one?
Are you okay?
I am now, I'm asking.
He will transfer the money into my account now.
2 million.
2 million. What do you mean by that?
Your body is not hot. Have you done your BVN?
BV waiting.
You are supposed to rectify your BVN in your account before your account can receive that kind of money.
It's true. I've not done my BVN.
See what you will do. Rush down to the bank. The man, how long did the man give you?
The man gave me just 20 minutes.
20 minutes is a whole lot of time to take care of everything. Rush down to the bank, take care of your BVN, then you go to your house, you go put everywhere within 3 minutes. You know how to do it. Now, okay, get the papers, rush down to the land. Before 20 minutes time, you'll be at that place. Simple.
See what happened. And let me rush to the bank now and do my BVN. I'm coming.
Okay, I would have followed you, but let me go. So this idiot want to sell this land for real. Then why are some plans? What do I do? Okay. Okay. Good afternoon.
Hold on, I'll call you back.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
What are you doing here?
Excuse me, do I know you?
This is my friend's father's land, and when I saw you, I was surprised. What is this man doing here?
Oh, I found. Yeah, he brought me here. He said he want to sell the land. I should come see it.
You want to buy which land? When did Afamefuna's father decide to sell his land?
He told me that his father is late.
Chineke.
And he needs money urgently. That's why he wants to sell.
Okokobioko. I will not even tell you to fuel my mouth. Kambowa Kamoto. I will just explain the truth for you. You can hold your fuel money. The truth is that this land belongs to Afam's father. And I don't think he intends selling it for any reason. Oh, Afamefuna want to sell the land to you. With which documents? Because I know he has no idea where those documents are. Which document? In fact, I will direct you to his father's house, so you will see things for yourself. To be honest with you, his father has no intention of selling this land, though. Do not be deceived, though. If you want to confirm things for yourself, go to Afamefuna's house in the evening. You must see his father there.
Are you serious about
He does not own no land, though. He wants to dupe you. Afame is a fraudster.
How do I locate his house?
Okay, when you get to that Amojimakwe Square, take left. Take left again. The first compound you meet is an open compound, the bungalow. You must see Afamefuna's father there. If you are lucky, Afam will be at home. Then ask him for the document there. Let's see what happens.
I told him I don't want any no problem.
Hey.
Thank you.
Yes, no problem. Don't be deceived, though. Don't be deceived.
Yeah, la, la. Kimanka, imaranankaza. Kimanka, imaranankaza. Wanemi manka, imakwankaza.
Where? Papa from. Maduka. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. Is Afam at home?
I thought he's with you.
No. In that case, I have a business for you and me.
I don't want to do any business with you. That Nkreka business that you and the Afam is doing. I'm not interested in it.
Okay.
I don't want it.
You will now call my business in Nkreka.
How is Nkreka?
Be there, let Afam say that your land at Udoji River. Then you will know I don't have Nkreka business. I am going.
Bia. You say Afam wants to sell my land.
For your information, Afam is about to sell that land. The only remedy is for you to fuel my mouth. That is if you want me to continue speaking. Fuel this mouth, I will give you the rest of the information.
Ima, you know that you see there is scarcity of fund and the recession is affecting.
I know.
Just tell me, I will see you later.
I don't like later business. Papa, fuel my mouth now. This is where my business is, in my mouth. You fuel my motor.
Wait. Hey.
Papa, I don't. See, this business is more important than this thing you want to separate, Papa. Bring it.
Papa,
I will explain. That man that wants to buy that land, he's not even a man, oh. One young boy like that came back from the city with money. He wants to sell that land to him, but the man demanded for the papers of the land. And I know that is the reason why I will make that man to come to this compound for you to confirm things yourself.
Hey! How far, man?
You have... Papa, the reason why I told you this is not because of the money. Oh. You know, most people in this village, they believe I'm the one spoiling Afam. But he's actually the one spoiling me. That is why I came with this important information.
Don't worry. If you bring the man,
yeah, my friend on him. Yeah, dear friend at this mouth. Good. I will make that man come to this place. Just stay in the house indefinitely. Be in the house.
Okay, I'll be
Good. No problem.
Hi! Oh.
Try to be one, try to be one, 'cause it's best in this life.
Good day to you, fine boy. Good day.
I'm asking after Afam. I learned he stays here.
Afam, I hope there's no problem.
No. I actually came to confirm the document of the land I was supposed to buy for me.
It's all right. Afam! Afam!
Okay, you're not supposed to be here now. I thought I told you to.
Shut up! Shut up!
I just came to confirm the document before I make the payment.
Hey! Young man, I am the father.
Okay.
Afam is a useless boy. Afam wants to sell the only property I have. I have the documents with me. I don't want to sell any land. Don't let them cheat you. They will chop your money and... Oh, nah.
Are you trying to say that the land is not for sale?
No! I am not selling my land. I'm not selling myself. I'm not selling any documents. Afam, they want to defraud you. If you know what is good, Biko, just quietly. Why?
So young man, were you joking with me or you're trying to defraud me? Are you a thief?
Answer him. Good day, sir. Good day to you. Hi! Afam. Dear Afam, who is your father?
You.
Who gave birth to you?
Papa, you now.
Afam, why do you want to send me to my early grave?
Papa, I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. Stop saying I want to kill you.
Afam, you will die before me.
Eh? God forbid. Papa, I will not die before you. You will be the one to die first. I will be the one to bury you. What's the meaning of that now? Since you don't want to sell that land and give me money to get married, Papa, you know me very well. Don't worry, I'll find a way and settle.
Look at it, with Mula Afam. Let's comment it.
Devo is not happy.
What did happen? What's going on?
The worst just happened to me yesterday night.
Are you serious? What happened?
That Okbo, that pay-as-you-go girl that I carried the other day. He stole my gold necklace and my $500. See him now, I want to cut my neck.
Are you kidding me?
Why are you laughing now?
No, sorry, just take it easy. You know, like I'm laughing, but she stole $500. Are you check? Just like that. You know, that's why sometimes I ask myself, how come Nate they do this thing?
How Nate don't do this thing?
How do people, not like necessarily you, but you just pick a girl, carry the girl home, you don't even know the girl from anywhere, pay her. What if this girl wake up middle of the night and just steal your private part?
Look, if you want to laugh at me, listen.
Friend, please. I'm just saying the obvious now.
Anyway, I at least expected it from this girl. I at least expected it.
But come to think of it, man, everything happens for a reason. Just think and say the girls just steal your worries.
Worries.
That's what.
My gold chain and $500. Worries.
Yeah, now, but you will learn from this now.
Anyway, I've learned my lesson.
Yeah. Oh, Bob. Man, thank God that's the only amount you took, man.
She will be happy.
But all the same, man, I'm very hungry, man. I need to eat.
But I don't have anything. I don't have any money. You will pay. The money's on you.
See, that nobody's asking you to pay. I know you are broke. I will pay for you.
I'm not broke.
You just not $500. You know what, baby?
What?
Thank you for accepting my request. And I want to assure you today that I will love and respect you always.
Like I said earlier, if it's the will of the Lord, we'll always be together.
Sure.
You know, all my life, I've never dated anyone.
What? You mean?
Yes.
Oh! Come here. Sorry, excuse me. My friend, Fred. Hello? Fredo. What's up now? Yes, I'm at home. Oh, you're close to my house. Alright, now rushing, no problem. Yeah, correct time. Alright, see you soon, yeah. Like I said, I'll always respect you.
Okay. You know I'm a fresher in this game.
I know.
Yeah.
Look for a way to get a car. Yeah.
Honey, please,
Yeah.
I need to eat my food.
Yeah, but hold on. Let me quickly introduce you to my friend. Fred, Natasha.
What a world!
Yes, it's indeed a small world.
You?
It's she's the one.
Hand over my gold necklace. Now!
What's wrong with you?
What is going on here?
This is the whore that stole my $500 and my gold necklace.
So, I mean, what are you talking about? It's not possible now. This?
Okay, na true. This girl na scam. That food where she bring here the other day, no be she cook am.
You hear that?
What? Uka?
No be she cook am.
Mommy, please, sorry. Mommy, please, I'm sorry. Mommy, it's Miss Patience. She was the one that told me to come so that we'll work together. I'm working with her.
Madam Patience.
Me.
I hope say this runs go well.
Hey, just do your own part. Leave the rest for me. You know what? That boy is extremely loaded. Hi, Obia. Once he loves you, we will make him dry. Hey! Do you know another thing? We will now come down to share the profit of the percentage. Hey! This woman! Hey! You know why I like you? You know say your things they go well.
Exactly.
So I sure say you no go fuck my style.
No. You be correct woman.
Wetin happen? I am always part 1, no part 2 in my agenda. She told me that your son is very rich. That should come, we'll make so much money. Mommy, please. I'm sorry. Mommy.
So that fool thought she could play with my intelligence. Get out.
Mommy, forgive me. Mommy, it will not happen again.
No. Before you leave, give me my $500 and my gold necklace before I call the police. You see, my chain? Give it to me!
Hey! I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Get out.
Okay.
Madam, you can't go. Come on.
Mommy,
Go, follow this place.
please.
You can spend the money, but for this chain, man, I spend hell on this. Dave, how did you come across this hall? Never mind.
Nwata misi chibabula, nwata juleju. She got it, one ofuma. Nwata wanya, buku benza. She got it, manone bubu emuchima. She's the diva. She got it, front and back. Nwata wanya, buku benza. She got it, emuchima.
You again? See, make I tell you. Madam say make I tell you, make you know this compound again. You hear me? They go. Excuse me. Excuse me, go where? Go! Come out here. Wicked woman.
Achuna misi makota laja Konyanya kimala moja Yechi nasa wemba kuro
Uka. Uka.
Oga. Oga, I beg, no vex, I've been there inside the...
It's all right. Can you act or pretend to be a big man?
Like, best way rich, way get money, where?
Yes.
Oga, I fit do am now. You know say rich man been there my body, but my papa no quick notice and I make me there for this gate.
Don't, it's okay. You will travel with me soon. There's something I'm planning.
No wahala. But Oga, if I travel with you now, who will come there for gate, the open gate for madam?
Don't worry, we'll fix that.
Okay, no problem.
You can imagine that low life I had wanted to help. She will live to regret it.
Mom.
Yeah. Let me call you back, okay? Thank you. Hello, son.
Fine, Mom. You're having a good time. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Mom, I have something to discuss with you. You see, I've been thinking. I want to make a short trip to any eastern part.
Somebody is running away from his mother.
No, Mom. Don't be like that. That's not true. It's just that I just want to change the environment and mix up with the commoners. I just want to get one or two experiences, that's all.
I hope it has nothing to do with Natasha.
Of course it does. I mean, Natasha did what she did because she had something to gain. Mom, I want to find love in a place where no one knows me. That's the aim.
I think I understand it. It's okay. Just be careful, son.
Sure.
In that case, you will have to go with either Oka or some other person to watch your back.
Yeah, exactly. I told Uka already. Alfred will help me fix some things in the office.
It's okay.
Thank you, Mom. Talk of the devil.
Madam, good evening. Madam, that your fake friend will bring that fake girl come here that time. You come where I pursue him.
Good job.
I pursue him well.
Good work.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Mom, I'll be inside. I have a few calls to make.
All right, sir.
You know, say my madam, they like people who sabi work well. Boys where they sharp for work. So what happen be say you get where me and my oga won't go. You get what say I go at for them. Never know what be that. So you go come, make you come the open gate. They close for my madam. You understand? You go pay you well. If na food you go chop well, you go do okay. I know say you go feed one now. I go feed one now. You know me now. No be today I begin to do this work. And if I no go feed one, you no go call me.
So
be the thing. So but the problem will be see we could do now. I hope say small change you could do. Enter my pocket. They talk. I forget about that small change. They say you go enjoy my madam well. So far say they work well. No, I see. I know say it's a big work. I no go stay now.
Now we're in the village.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Everything I told you, you must adhere strictly to it. Exactly.
Exactly.
You see that shop we saw when we're entering, I copied the number. Okay. I have to go and confirm and then discuss with the owner so I can buy it. Okay. You now go back to that hotel. I show you the description of the place. Yes, sir. Yes, so take the key and go. I don't want people to start seeing us together. Give me your hand, your phone. Take this one. Behave yourself, Uka. You understand? It's so cool. Right, so take the car. Let me pass here. Yeah? All right,
Girls. When I go my way, make I drop una.
No, thank you. Gucci, let's go.
Just like that.
Yes, you're still here. Let's go, John.
Dragging her? Eh? Don't you know she's like an egg? Eh?
Do you know that she almost followed one man in his car?
You mean car?
Brother, if you see this fine car, he wanted to talk to me, but sister refused.
Hey, wait.
If you see him, see his fine black skin.
You mean this car?
He came to our house. Oh, go back here.
Why you drag her now? Eh? And you are the fine. Eh? You my spec. You my kind of woman.
You look like a piece of joke. Excuse me.
You're welcome. See, let me tell you, don't mind her. Eh? I have Ugochi here. I have a beret and I have a Dama. She's in the city. Very beautiful. But Ugochi here she's better. I'm telling you. You can make your choice.
Yes, she's fine.
She's a wife material.
I can see you're a distributor. No problem. I will come back.
Hey, Ugo.
Bye-bye, yeah?
Ugo.
Go to South Africa. I will never forget you.
Here.
Don't lose this man.
Go. I don't know this today.
Where are you? Afam, come out. Afam, just come out. The worst is about to happen.
Maduka, why are you shouting my name like this?
It is better I shout your name and prevent this calamity from happening. I will shout, I will shout your name.
What calamity are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know somebody, one particular man that came from the city is about to take your baby away. He came in a fine car. If you want a phone, need the poor.
Wait. My own Ebere.
Your own Ebere, you are here.
Tell me you're not serious.
Will I joke with things like this?
Wait, someone wants to take my Ebere away from this village.
He came in a fine car. You are in trouble.
In this village?
Better do something, or something will do you.
Maduka, are you serious?
Oh.
Maduka, are you serious?
You're making me repeat myself. I am serious,
Someone wants to take away my Ebere in this village. For what now? For I'll keep person, I'll keep person. Come and show me the person. Who is that person?
Actually, I did not see his face, but I know his car.
My own Ebere in this village. See, if I get that person, I will destroy anybody that wants to take away my Ebere in this village.
I know what you can do now.
Go and show me the person.
But I know his car. You must pass through this road. Hey. Oh, you don't know me. You don't know me. No, let me keep
Child, you want to marry my Ebere? Ebere.
that one.
Stay and wait for me.
Either he passes through here, or he passes. Look at the tire of this car. He doesn't know you. You know, hey! Yes, look at the car.
Stop there! You better stop!
Stop now!
Stop there! Listen to me
Stop now!
Just calm down, no. Calm down!
If you cannot come down, let him wind down.
Oh, you don't want to come down?
Wind down if you cannot come down.
So you don't want to come down?
My boys, waiting they happen now.
Hey! Calling us my boys.
Who be my boys?
Imagine, no.
Listen to me, let me tell you. Leave Ebere for me, oh. Leave Ebere for me, oh. Please. You can go and marry Ugochi, Chinyere, or Adama, their sister. But you see Ebere, Welia Solom. She's my wife to be.
Exactly.
Leave Ebere for me, oh.
Guy, make I clear you. You see Ebere? I don't know him. Yes. But Chinyere, me I feel die put.
Wait, oh bros. Are you saying that you don't know Ebere?
At all.
I'm sorry, bros. Don't be offended. Please, I'm sorry. You can go now.
No,
what did you tell me now? You said you saw him with Ebere.
No, I only saw his car coming out and I suspected it to be Ebere. I'm for interest. I have to call you.
Look, do you know you're stupid?
Wait.
Do you know you're stupid? I'll kill you today. What's the meaning of this one here? See, let me tell you, you're very stupid.
I know. I thought it was Ebere. I am sorry. Just go. Don't follow me. I should not follow you. I should not follow you. I should not follow you.
This one will right, say make I wait for you for junction. Hope see everything will be clear.
Yes. That time you were talking and you made mention of Chinyere, I knew I would have something for you. Meaning, when I give a memo business.
Serious?
Yes.
So, tell me now, how you go be?
Bros, it's not that easy now. You know, my mouth is like motoka. Once you fuel this mouth, Obowaka moto. You know what I mean. Yes, just do it.
Anyway, no wahala, that one no be problem.
I'm a doya. Bros, this your moto is fine, no.
Don't worry, this one is small.
Is this one they call moto purisi? That's a Mercedes.
This one is small, yes.
Moto purisi.
But for now, just
okay.
Hold on with this one first.
Okay.
Or I will give you more.
Yes. No.
Goes the clear way.
Okay. Let me tell you the secret. If you want to have Chinyere, you have to promise Ikenta, her brother, that you will take care of his bills to South Africa. He's a greedy and ambitious human being. He wants to go to South Africa. Just make this promise to him.
You mean that?
Once you promise Ikenta that he will go to South Africa through you, he will put Chinyere in an envelope. Seal Oregi Chinyere. Send it through, what is it they call it? DHL. Just try this one. You go see as the my number is still there for there. Right. Thank you, bros. Don't mind me.
I like your type of person.
I know if you wear these slippers entire.
No worry.
I want to carry them for hand. Thank you.
No worry.
Hey, bros. I'm going to make I can't go now.
No problem.
Nobody knows I meet you.
No problem.
That's somebody they do.
All right.
Hello, Commissioner. I don't really have people that will take the risk and get such a contract deal. So let's forget about it. 150,000 naira. It's such a small money. Yeah, I just think I will handle it alone and give you 300k. Oh, let me just call you back shortly, Commissioner. Okay.
Babe, Heidi said something about 200k. What's the contract all about? I'm interested.
No.
Same here.
You can't take the risk, so forget about it.
No, we can't. You're serious.
These girls are serious. You know, there is this contract that came out in the office of the commissioner. Yeah. And to make the boys happy, you have to bring 150,000 naira each.
150,000.
150. Yeah. Not 150,000 naira each.
I will give you 200k before Friday.
Same here too.
It's okay, but you have to take it low.
Low key.
You know the ones I've got. Yes. You know. So, we'll finish that later.
Okay.
No put your head up, please.
I don't know why Honorable's number is not connecting.
But I keep calling her. She must speak. Just continue.
Stay at the place for keep quiet.
Wow, my crush is here.
Ogo.
This man cannot just stay one place.
Will you shut up your mouth? You're welcome.
Welcome.
Come on, sit down.
Hey, in-law.
Ogo. You're welcome.
I beg, when I know very so say I don't buy anything as I become. If person take this money, go buy us.
Let me help.
No. Let that your stupid Chinyere go and buy it.
Chinyere! Will you come here?
Brother.
Brother, hope you're not trying to convince me about this man.
Will you shut up? Take this money. Go down the road and buy us drink.
You get one shop where they down there as I come. Just buy them for them.
Okay, again, I've proposed.
What brand of drink should I buy?
Go.
Buy the name. Fast. Be fast.
Hello.
How is everything? Have you finally talked to her?
Yes.
Okay. You didn't be a response now.
No problem.
No, how are you doing now?
Fine.
Thank you. Is that a novel you're reading?
Yes. It is.
Wow, that's nice. It seems you're new here, because I know the man that owns this place.
You're right. I actually bought the shop and the goods from him.
Okay. Well, I hope you'll give me your novel when you're done reading.
Why not? I have a couple of other books that might interest you. You know, I love to read it. Help broadens the mind and,
You sound very intelligent.
Thank you. And I like your sense of humor. Maybe once in a while you can come around so we just share ideas together if you don't mind.
It's okay. Just give me the drinks, beer, Coke, Fanta.
All right. For the records, my name is David.
I'm Chinyere.
All right.
Stop. Ogogoro, you're still here.
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing in a keke?
No, he's taking me to the mechanic to pick my car.
Mechanic.
Yes.
You better leave that mechanic you're going to pick your car and rush down to Ikenta's house. Now.
What is happening to Ikenta's house?
Oh, Ikenta is about marrying off Chinyere to one guy that came to the city with Ezigbo moto. Good car, not that your nonsense car.
Married. How?
Eh? Don't worry. I know you always fear this mouth. Let me go ahead. Chinyere is about getting married and Ikenta will give his blessings. Today. If you want to confirm things for yourself, go to the house. If not,
no, it's not possible.
You say it's not possible?
Ikenta can't do that.
You don't know Ikenta. That's why you are telling me Ikenta cannot do that. The best thing you will do to yourself now is to rush down to his house.
What are you saying?
I have told you.
Ikenta want to marry Chinyere to another person? It can't happen.
I don't like repeating myself. This mouth like running speed, over speed.
I'm a Okoro Bobo.
And I'm a chimpas.
So machine pass. Nanewi.
You don't know Ikenta.
Yeah, I will kill somebody.
You will kill somebody.
I kill somebody.
Before you kill somebody and go to jail, fuel this mouth.
Me go to jail.
Fuel my mouth. Fuel my mouth.
Yeah. Madam can take this. Take this.
500.
Yes. Just take it. I will see you later. Eh? See, I will kill somebody. Ikenta will do this to me. He cannot try it.
Go. Go, Baba, go. Hey, go. You don't have money. You want to? This man is stingy. You're giving me 500.
I don't know what is keeping this girl. Huh?
Brother, you're asking like you don't know the kind of sister you have. I'm sure she has gone to see her numerous boyfriends. I'm very sure.
Which boyfriend? Eh? Who does her boyfriend? With this her overriding ambition. Eh? Let me tell you, she don't know any man.
She didn't hear. Brother, say I'm late though.
I know you'll be late.
I actually met a guy at the shop. We both exchanged ideas. He was reading a novel.
Oh.
Hey, you see it? You see what I said? So you now have shopkeeper Bobo.
Shut that tiny mouth.
Where is it?
He said I'll come back later for the balance.
Who be that poor man with the intelligent pass we get money like me?
You must be very foolish to ask me that question.
Hey, going up, bossy.
Hello? Village champion.
Hello, Ikenta.
Go ahead, I'm hearing you.
I saw Okoro Bobo. Nah. He's on his way to your house to ferment trouble.
He's on his way to my house.
He refused to fuel my mouth, but I am giving you the right information now. He is coming now to make trouble with you. That you want to marry off Chinyere to.
So that fool said all that.
I'm telling you.
That say cut down. I'm a year, and give me happy cut down.
Deal with him very, very well.
He's a madman. I will give him trouble.
Don't mind his big body. Deal with him. If you choke pin anywhere, he will less.
Hey, Mama, Ikenta. Forget it.
Stingy man.
Okay, Ogo.
Who is your Ogo? Okoro, go in with your in-law. Who is your in-law? Who are you man in my house? Go in, Alo.
Yeah. Are you trying to tell me that what I had is true? After eating my money.
Which money? How much is that? How much did you give me? Tell me, Okoro, I will give it back to you. How much? Go.
Yeah. Okoro Bobo.
Okoro and Nollywood mechanic. Machine part over here also.
You are talking to me like this. Yes. Hey, Arwe man. You.
Don't disturb my visitors. I have important visitors I don't joke with. I mean men with the money.
Hey.
Okay.
Take me to my mechanic. Let me take my car. I will deal with you. If you have come on.
See, man, get a problem. I've given us my sister to do. I've given it to have money.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you.
You.
Oh my God. You don't have money.
Okay.
I have to go. I have 2 minutes. I have if you have money, come and meet me. Let me give one to you. I'm from bullshit. How much do you have there?
You want to disturb my in-law?
Ugochi, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Stay clear from Muka. You don't want to respect yourself, Abi. You won't respect yourself.
Mom, what did I do?
Stop winking at Uka. He is mine. Can't you understand?
Hey, someone that has no regards for you, Bri.
Eh? Madam regards. Then let him decide that for himself.
Anyway, all I want from him is his money. So when I'm done enjoying his money, you can have him.
Hey, then what else do you think I'll need him for? If not for his ego cash.
Well, I've just told you my own. If you like, take it. If you like, leave it.
Me too, I've told you, I'm warning you. I will beat you. Take life from him in this house. So. What bitch girl?
You get to Dogu?
Mother.
Oh, don't work it. I
know you very well.
Yes. How far now? You're not looking bad though.
I hope there's no bad news.
Oh no. You people misunderstand me in this community. I don't always have bad news. Oh. It's just that my mouth says what my eyes see. Especially when they pour petrol on him on the road.
I know you.
Yes. I have something very important that will benefit you. I know you will not take me serious. I know that.
I know you.
I know you will not take me serious. But I know you want to travel to South Africa. Anyway. I know.
What?
That is why they call me Mado Kanaya. I see everything. And this mouth, once there's petrol, what I'm saying in essence, I can help you achieve that dream.
No, I don't get you.
This time around, I will not care for your petrol, Nimonum. No problem. You can have your petrol.
Then tell me.
But I know how to convince that rich guy that came from the city, Oka, to make your dream come true.
Mano!
When you get to South Africa, then you
open
filling station for this mouth. You open filling station for this mouth.
I will bring down the fuel with tanker.
You will see me in
action.
I will be in motion. I will do it.
I have to buy bread.
Customer. Okay.
No, don't worry, I'll sell to him. The big or small bread?
Big one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Don't you have a nylon? Nylon is
Okay.
Thank you.
For what?
For helping me sell. You know what? Let's eat biscuits, granite, and cold coke.
No, you can't be eating your goods like that. It's not good for a growing business. Don't worry, after the tutorials, I'll go get it from the house.
So, boss, the thing be say, na only that she near of a girl. Now she be better girl with it for that family. And it be like say, you get one of their sister again, with the city. We be politician.
Man, whatever it is, I don't just want to make mistake or fall for a pretender again. No.
What's true? For me, you better say make her first go. Understand? Offer her plenty money. Money will plenty. We could see her reaction. Know whether na type we say she too like money.
I like that. And to add to it, tell her you see her through school. You know, like sponsor her education. If possible, just tell her you buy a car. You give her money, you know, change her life. Just tell her anything. Let's just see how she will react to it.
Okay, boss.
Right? Everything you're doing, I really appreciate it. and in time I will reward you.
Boss, anything for you now, is my boss.
No, okay.
Alright, sir. Okay.
Well, clear the road for me, I won't come out. Just check up here.
Hey! Ogogo! Ogogo!
That's my great-in-law. Ogo, but I was not expecting you.
You can't understand. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't forget Relax. What about this one? Your own, they come. See, I bring better offer for your sister. If she accept them, everything cool. But if she not accept them, I go free am.
Onabiala, is she mad? No.
I trust you.
Chinyere!
If you do, call her for me.
Chinyere!
Call her.
Go. I told you. Ogogo! You see, I told you.
My baby.
You again?
Baby, calm down. Calm down. I bring better offer for you. You see this thing with the year soon, I check of 4 million naira with this. Just take this one to start with. I will pay your bills. I will train you for school. I will take care of you. Do anything where you want. I mean, a car you want. Anything where you want, name am. As you big rich soul, that's why I go to do everything big for you. All I just want now, be my baby. Simple.
I know you like it. Wonder why. Oh, Jim.
You must be very stupid.
What?
Do you think I am interested in this your cheap rubbish offer?
Don't come. You slept. Are you mad? Are you mad, Chinyere? Come on, come here. Hello. You want this for my destiny, Abi? See, I'm sorry. I won't apologize to you.
Calm down. Forget. No worry.
Hey, man. Oh my.
No worry.
Hey! If you come back to this house, if I don't kill you, I don't want to go some. Hey! You can't understand. I'm missing you. I can't miss it now. See, you must be the that in this house. I want to have to help me, but I want to can't. No, you can't. Hey!
Obano bako buru, okwanti chiria, ijijintike sokozu ana. High class, ona life utakwa mando. High life, one buka manya. Ana meyali, ewo ane pyali. Na chonde gombute, aya. Kimanka, imaranankasa. Kimanka, imaranankasa. Wanemi manka, imakwankasa.
How will you carry this heavy bucket on your head?
My brother insisted I use this bucket to fill the drums in the house.
For what? It's not like a punishment or something. Let me help you.
You didn't lock the shop.
In my shop, God will guide my shop. Come.
Kimanka, imaranankasa. Kimanka, imaranankasa. Wanemi manka.
Oh, thank you very much.
Alright,
I would have done without you. Thank you.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I am.
Brother, he's my very good friend.
Hey, but you take up to this house with this thing? Eh?
I'm very sorry.
You will be more sorry when I go in and come out.
No, listen, I mean no harm. My name.
Awakuma.
No.
Please.
Mr. Man, come. It's not
Just
by
come
yes.
and go. Just come and go.
Why?
My brother does not like associating with poor men.
So listen, he won't do anything. Let me explain. I will talk to him as a man.
No.
Hey. Oh,
The beauty of a woman is in her character.
Boss.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
Good evening.
Boss, I beg no vex say I hurry you like this.
Look, even me, I'm very confused. Why is that guy, guy, the brother to Chinyere, why is he very aggressive? That guy is a very stupid guy. Why is he so materialistic? You need to see the way he's behaving. All the money he's making from the sister, what is he doing with them?
Boss, that guy is a lazy fool. Lazy mogo. You know, say, as I reach there, offer Chinyere a check of 1 million naira. Immediately, the girl load me slap. Cause see the guy reaction towards the girl. Look, it's smart, you know, he nearly kill him. The guy pursue him, provoke, pursue him.
Are you serious?
You know, to see the way the guy, they beg me, bro, so in-law, no verse, now in-law, come back.
That guy have money.
Boss, that guy have money, no, they are too, in fact, I know what I want to talk with.
Anyway, enough of the guy. I'm thinking of traveling. Yes, and I want to make sure I have a positive response from her before I leave. So, that's my plan. I just wanted you to know. So I want you to do me a favor. Help me watch her closely. Follow her bumper to bumper. Just observe everything from her.
Boss, I'm not for you, now anything for you, but me, I still get suggestion. Understand? If you ask me, I advise you, make you make a manager for that your shop. Understand? So that I go to reach and well.
I think I like that idea. Makes sense. Okay, I'll talk to her about it. I hope she agrees. In that case, there will be no need for you to stay. I think you'll just travel with me then.
Boss,
high life, one day book a mania.
Who is your customer? We are not your customer. Oh, you fooled my mouth.
Listen, Dave or whatever they call you, I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my girlfriend. Stay away from Ebere. You can have Chinyere for all I care. But if I eventually see you anywhere close to Ebere, do you know what I will do to you? I'll kill you. I will destroy your shop. I will make your life miserable.
What is bringing all this? Please, just take it easy and hear me out. Who is Ebere?
Wait, like you don't know what I'm saying?
I do not have any intentions to go out with anybody called Ebere.
That's Etuzit. That's Etuzit, oh. Since you say you don't know anybody called Ebere, that fine black girl, don't think of knowing her in the future. Delete it from your mind. This is alphabet from the working day. Touch his chest. Single bone. It will kill you.
I've warned you.
Let's go.
I've warned you.
Let's go.
It's either me or no one else.
Oh, let's go.
Why is everybody in this village so harsh and rugged? Where did this one come out from again? Chi?
Dave.
Hi.
Hello. I am so sorry about how that my mean brother treated you yesterday. Please forgive him.
It's alright. I forgave him yesterday because I love him. I mean, because...
I love you too.
You do?
Yes.
Are you serious? Listen, I've been meaning to tell you this, but I just don't want you to, get angry if you do not agree with me.
You are the most amazing and intelligent man I've ever seen, which makes you a good to have.
Thank you. I promise I'll always do you right, okay? But I still wonder why you find a broke-ass guy like me amazing.
Mentally, you're rich, which simply means with the right stroke of luck, you will make wealth.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I wanted to tell you something. I'll be doing a short trip. I have an interview. I don't know if you can manage the shop for me while I'm away.
I will have to discuss that with my mom.
Okay.
But I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Come and sit down. We'll take our hotel, spend time.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Hey, we've been scammed though.
Oh, Jesus! Hey, wait.
Hey.
Do you still have account details?
Yes.
Okay.
The beauty of a woman is in her character.
Concerning what you told me about David, hope he will not deny you concerning the agreement of the shop.
Mama, he's not like that. I like him. In fact, I love him.
Anyway, another problem we will have there is your brother. You know he likes all these rich men.
Mama,
he's troublesome.
I don't care about Dikeh. All I care about is what makes me happy. Dave makes me happy. Yes, that's what matters to me most.
Oh, Ogogom.
Mama.
I want to give you the demo. Hey! Anyway, my dear, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mama.
Sister!
How are you?
I'm fine. Ugochi, Honorable is here.
Okay. Hey! Honorable! Honorable! Honorable!
Thank you.
Honorable!
Check me out.
Honorable!
Today, yeah. Check me out.
Wow. Honorable. Your entourage.
Oh, don't worry, they're on the way. Sis, I just want to be on the low-key, so I decided to come with Keke.
Really?
See the president, please. I don't want him to know that I'm in the village. Let us hurry.
Hey.
Okay.
No, go.
Honorable. That is my honorable. You, stand there. The ever-ready politician of our time.
I greet you.
Ikenta.
Honorable.
The next local government chairman of our village.
Chileke boy. Honorable. You see, Honorable, I brought these two guys to stand as a bodyguard. Anywhere you're going, they're going with you. Anywhere, any place you're going for occasion, they are there with you to protect you. From these our village urchins, you know our community boys are very bad. They can snatch your bag from you. So I need them to protect your life.
Ikenta. That's so thoughtful of you.
Oh.
It's okay. It's just that I would have called the Minister of Defense to send me truckload of soldiers. But I can manage them for now.
Oh, you see, I told you she will never reject you people. Honorable. Now listen to me.
Your job starts now. As you're standing, that is how you'll be standing.
As she's moving, you are moving with her. Anywhere she's going for any occasion, you are there with her. Make sure you protect her life. Very important. Very soon, she will take you guys to Abuja for official gun handling. And you become a political guard. Honorable!
And we promise to take care of her with our lives.
Yes, we promise, madam.
I am not madam. I am Honorable Natasha Onyema. The name that shakes mountain. The name that shakes the upper and lower chambers of the legislative arms of government.
Oh, did you hear her? Don't ever make such mistake again.
To when honorable?
To where Honorable Natasha? Honorable Natasha. To where again? Honorable Natasha.
To where again?
Honorable Natasha.
Honorable Natasha.
Hey, it's my brother.
Very soon.
You know what's
up.
You know what's up.
Hey, baby! Hey, baby! Honorable, I'm coming. Come here.
What about Ugochi and Chinyere?
Ugochi, she went to the market with Mama to help her with sales.
And Chinyere?
That one. She has now turned herself into a sales girl in this village. Oh. She now sells for that her lover Bobo in his shop.
What? My own sister sells for a riffraff, a nobody.
Yes, so.
What is going on? That I want to remain on low-key in this village does not mean that any member of my family should be stupid.
Honorable, I have tried my best. But you know now, since she's so in love with her Bobo and she's crazy about him, she wouldn't listen to anybody. And can you imagine? That guy actually traveled and left her in that shop as he says girl. Oh.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ebere, run inside, go and get me my bag and take me there. Hey.
Okpano bako buru okwanti chiri ya ijiji ntike sokozu ana high class ona lafu takwa mmandu high life one buka mmanya ana megari ewo ane.
You did not even see me. Oh, there is no more good morning, good afternoon, or even good evening. In fact, good night from your mouth. Can't you even greet your elder?
Hey. Thank your stars that I'm in a very good mood. I won't lock you up right now. Did you hear me? And the next time you address me as Adama instead of Honorable Nat, I will have you locked behind bars. Bam.
Can't get an akwa na gate him. Nekwa pusu. Oh. Adama. Oh, children of nowadays, they have no respect for.
Hey. One more word from you. I will ask my boys to beat you up mercilessly. Bam.
Kandia, Ndi pusu. Lock me up.
Yes, you. You better respect yourself, you old man. Respect yourself, oh. I'm warning you. Respect yourself. And you see my sister here. She's a very big politician. Take a look around. And so, she should be addressed as such. And let me warn you. You better want that your miserable, poor, wretched, low-life son to leave me alone. He should leave me alone, no, in this village. Because if he doesn't, read my lips, old man like you.
Uchicha, you are talking to me. Hi!
What are we still doing here? Let's leave.
Hi!
Rubbish.
Hi! Oh, Pusu, talk to me. Oh, how far? You have rubbished me. I will come. You will see my hand. You will see my hand.
High class, on our life without one man, high life, on the book and mania, and now merely the world and the
Sister Dama, welcome. Hold it there. She's Honorable Nat, and you better start calling her by that name. Do you understand?
Hey, shut up, Ebere. See, she's still our dear sister Adama, and that's why she's family. Come on.
Rubbish. Don't you ever in your miserable life address me in that manner again. Look at this one. I only came here to tell you to lock up this shop and go home. But I can see your reception is not welcoming. I will continue this discussion at home.
And you are lucky Ugochi is not here. If not... What are you people doing here?
We're here to see you now.
To see who?
Are we not your friend?
You said what?
We're your friends
We're
now.
friends hey, who is your friend?
We are friends now.
Hey. Come on, will you get up from here before military men attack both of you?
Military men. Now, let's go. Abeg.
Thank God Honorable Nat didn't meet those small girls.
Baba, what happened now? Calm down and talk to me. What happened?
I have been insulted. They have insulted you. They don't know I have a son who can defend me. Can you imagine somebody insulted me?
Wait, Baba. Somebody has the guts to insult my own father in this village. Who is that person?
They say, her name is Adama. Hi.
Adama.
Hi.
Papa, Adama, Ebere's elder sister, the honorable.
They say they are politicians or she's a politician. I don't understand, but they have politics in their blood. Adama.
Papa, I'm sorry. You have to bear that insult too. You're talking about Adama here, Ebere's elder sister. And you know Ebere is my future wife. I'm sorry, I can't do anything.
The beauty of a woman.
I want us to maintain peace in this family.
I'm deeply sorry how Chinyere slapped Honorable without no sense of remorse.
She slapped me first. Come on, shut up. Keep quiet. Let the Honorable speak first.
You need to learn political proceedings.
See, I was begging Honorable not to arrest you, so better keep your mouth shut.
Mama was there, and Chinyere deserves to be dealt with.
I still don't know what my crime is.
Oh yeah, do you want me to repeat this for you again? You slapped an honorable member of the...
High class.
Thank you.
And never you try it again. Don't! Listen, let me tell you, if you try it, I will teach you a lesson you never forget in a hurry.
Don't worry. I will call the Minister of Defense to withdraw the troops he's about to send.
I must appreciate it.
I don't want it in this house. Whatever you may call yourself, see, this is my husband, remembrance. None of you resemble her.
Auntie, welcome.
Thank you very much. Please, I'm looking for Ikenta. Is he around?
No, he's not around. He went out.
To where?
These days, whenever he goes out, it's either for his visa pursuit or he's trying to travel to South Africa, so he's going out to look for the money and everything, so he's making preparations.
Visa?
Yes.
South Africa?
Yes.
Okay.
And these days, Auntie, I really need big men in my life to help me so I can give my brother some money, at least assist him for the ticket and everything he needs right now. And the money he's looking for is actually 300,000 naira. So we are all putting heads together to help him.
300,000 to go to South Africa? Okay. Did he tell you the person that is processing the visa for?
No, he did not. Anything my brother does is international. So we really don't know anything about it. Everything is international.
Okay, that's good. I'll be leaving now. When he comes, just tell him I called.
Who should I tell him called or came over?
Olivia.
Oh, okay, Olivia. Okay, Auntie, your name is fine, no?
Thank you very much. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll be praying for him. The Lord will do it for him.
Wow, Auntie, you are so nice.
Thank you. We'll go to South Africa and come back to take care of you.
God be blessed it.
No problem. Okay, now take care of yourself. I'll be going. Sleep well, eh?
Yes. For real?
I mean, what's it?
Really?
Yes, Mom.
I am so happy. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, I'm happy you have found love.
Yeah.
But, have you proposed to her?
No, Mom. I wanted to, but I just thought it wise. It's best I tell you first before I do like that.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Yeah, thank you, Mom.
Did you confirm her reality?
Mom, she's just too real. That girl is too intelligent to be fake.
Really?
Do you know as we speak right now, she's the one helping me in that shop I bought in the village.
Oh.
I'm telling you. She's so nice.
Well, I'm so happy you finally found love. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
I can't wait to meet her.
Yeah, you'll meet her soon. I'll bring her. Mom, I'm sure she'll be thrilled when she finds out how wealthy I am.
I know, right? I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much, Mom.
So proud.
Oli. Olivi, the sweetest baby.
What is it now? Are we quarreling?
It's like you don't want to be useful to yourself. How? So ordinary 300,000 that I told you to bring. Let me process your visa to South Africa.
Now, I don't want people to know you're the one doing this thing for me. I was even trying to connect you, and I was not going through. I said, okay, let me, after washing this clothes, I will come to your house. I was even surprised to see you. See, let me tell you, the money is complete. The money is complete. Nobody knows that kind of money is in this house. I don't want anyone to know that you're the one doing this thing for me. I'm tired of this community. Even the local government chairman of it cancel. I'm not going again. South Africa, here I come.
But hope the money is complete.
Am I lying? The money is sent and it's complete.
You didn't tell anybody that I'm the one processing.
How will I tell somebody?
You go to South Africa now. You know.
I know you're not South.
You get to
Igenta. Very soon, in Jordan, South Africa. The local government cancel.
Hey! Afam. Who is it?
Onye?
It's your baby.
Oju, why are you here?
Afam, I was told you need money to do something, so that is why I'm here. At least I can even help you. I can give you the money. Even if you take me to kill myself for me to raise money for you, I will do it. I love you. I'm here for you now, Afam. It was even your friend Maduka that told me that you need money for something.
Uju, it seems you don't understand all this thing I've been telling you. I don't love you. I don't need your money. I've told you this several times, but you don't want to listen. I don't love you. Please, can you leave me? Atorongi Biko. Ha!
Afam, take a look at me now and see what you're missing. I can even sell myself. I can even kill myself for you.
I don't need your money, please. And in fact, why would Maduka tell you I need money to marry Ebere? Why?
Afam, so even the money that you need is for you to go and marry Ebere. Ebere Abi.
Allow me to rest now. What's all this now? You better leave, oh. Okay. Don't call me again.
Ebere Abi, you love Ebere. Ebere, anywhere you are, God will punish you according to my size. I will deal with you.
Don't even try to touch Ebere. Don't touch her. If you touch her, you know what I'll do to you.
Okay, Kwemnaka. Kwemnaka.
Go and touch her, then you see what
hear
I'll
the
do
news.
to you. Okay.
God will punish you according to my size. I'm coming. Dave?
Hey. Yes, it's me. I know you'll be surprised. But I had to hide my identity from you because I've been through a lot. I needed to find true love. My name is Dave Okonkwo. I am the CEO of C&C Oil and Gas. That's who I am. Be my wife.
Yes, I'll marry you. That's it. It's beautiful.
Glad you like it.
Oh, good.
Let's get to your house.
Thanks, Alfred.
You better woman. My boss. Just that. As I go South Africa now, I go build house. I go buy.
What is it now? Who are you? Leave her alone. Stop that! I said leave her alone.
No.
What is it?
No. Nuts! We are here for our money. And to inform
Which money are you talking about? Which money are you talking about?
Ask her.
Are you owing them?
Yes, she's owing us. Wait, Nat. After deceiving us, your father was a minister. No, hey, Nat. Oh, Nat.
Honorable, who are all these people?
Honorable.
No,
yes.
deceiving you guys.
Yes.
My sister, honorable.
Explain what, Nat? Explain what?
Why have you girls decided to disgrace me in my village?
Our money. We need our money.
I will give you.
Nat, I need my money. I need my money.
Listen. My sister told us that she's working with upper chamber.
Yes. No.
Give us our money. Hey, what's happening here? Ah! Dave! What are you doing here?
The shopkeeper.
He is not a shopkeeper. He is the MD and CEO of C&C Oil and Gas Limited.
Hey, South Africa. Oh. Hey, okay. Now this criminal be that their sister when they talk say they city they do politician. Oh.
My Uka, what are you putting on?
Well, me I be gate man, nothing come out. Now my God be this. Hey!
Yes. And for your information, we are getting married.
Getting Guinea. Hey!
Wake up, Nuts! Wake up! Nuts, my money! My money! Wake up! Wake up! Our money! Wake up! Nuts, wake up! My money! We need our money! I'm not sitting here. My money! Stand up! My money! Wake up! Stand up and get our money! My money! Hey! My money! Nuts! Nuts! Stand up and give us our money! We need our money! Stand up!
La 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 la. Take a look at the corner. He can fuck one miss you. Take a look at the corner. He can fuck one miss you. What a jewel, she got it. One off of mine. She got it. She's the diva. She got it. Front and back. She got it. Excuse me, my lady. Hello, excuse me, Asama. Abano kampualiano, kamalu moga devapa. Ifi punabi na de mama, ubenza chipa polana. Kipunu na de mama, watamisi chipa polana. Watajueju, she got it. One of my, ukubenza, she got it. Manone ukwebu, she's the diva. She got it. Front and back. She got it. Lies and deceit, that is their way. Imakwa a green snake, ewo in a green grass. And I'm merely nepurely, manahachi managa. Faputashe penti elugiwo, bebeluge siwo mfe, kinabata. Achuna misi makocha lacha, konyanya kimala moja. Yeji nasa we popuroko wande mo, konyanya kimala moja. Makana wata bisi manocha lacha, konyanya kimala moja. Ote kwa pankeki wande mo, konyanya kimala moja. Oshinoteru nelike, konyanya kimala moja. Osopaya nyate lipstick, konyanya kimala moja. Odigi confused, bagari ya mama gia, konyanya kimala moja. Odigi confused, bagari ya negia, konyanya kimala moja. Wata jueju, she got it. One of mine, ukubenza, she got it. Manone ukwebu, she's the diva. She got it. Front and back. Ukubenza, she got it. Wata jueju, she got it. One of mine, ukubenza, she got it.